This is crazy. Ducks are having duck sex. Watch. We'll see what happens. No name's been the top nowadays. I was just watching. Oh, where'd Tweety go? Tweety just went under the water. Tweety's gone. Under the water. Tweety's gone under the water. Washing off her back because no name was on top. Oh, there they go. Here it goes. Here it goes. Oh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Looks like no name's asking Tweety to come get on board. This is nature. Nature of ducks, but they're both females. So it's nature, but they're not gonna reproduce. I don't understand. But they're cool birds. Look at that flappy flapper. Pretty birds. I like my ducks, even though they're a mess. But no name and Tweety are good friends of mine. Oh, flapping around. What's going on? Not much, just a little bit of duck love. They're loving the water. There they go, under the water. Whoa, big flaps. Think they're happy with the way I got the pond set up for them. Okay, everybody, like and subscribe if you'd like to see more ducks.